So Vetala is now actively being developed on GitHub. We're no longer releasing through the forum. We do releases through GitHub. It's MIT licensed, so everything's completely free. And so to get started, if I were to start wanting to, like, let's say I'm starting from scratch with Vetala and I have no prior setup or anything with Vetala, the first thing I would do is I'd go to the releases and then click on this 0.5.72 release or whatever the latest release is. And then I'd click on the source code and then I would save it. So save and go into my folder, extract here. So this is basically, we just installed Vetala. And this Python folder is what we're going to want to source in order to use it in Maya. So in Maya, if I check my script editor, I can do sys.path.append and give it the place where I downloaded Vetala. And so I can run this code. And then with this code being run here, I now have access to all the modules within the package. So I can do import UI, and that will initialize the UI module. And then from the UI module, I'm able to start the hub. So here I have everything kind of available in Vetala at my fingertips in the hub. And if I click on Vetala, I can start working on on different processes and templates that I'm building. if I'm if I'm starting from scratch, I don't have any templates. I'll want to go to the new GitHub project vtool templates. And currently there's no releases, so I'd have to do code download zip. And I'll just download it to the same directory. And I'll go ahead and extract. So now I have my templates readily available. And if I go and add that directory, so I'll go back to my dtemp, add my vtool templates main that I just downloaded, and rename it to something like templates. So now I have a bunch of default templates, and these templates I'll be looking to, I'll be adding to them over time, and I'll be looking to show off features of Vetala in these templates. So in props, there's actually a bicycle in here that I plan to rig eventually, but currently it's just the model. But in the example prop, you have this complex setup that's actually being built really easily just off the joint chain. So I'll do a video in the future to detail what's going on with this. And then in the character human, you also have a body, and here it will build a human body template. And I'll detail this a little bit more in the future as well, and do a getting started with the body template as well. So this is just to show that it's really easy now to get started with Vetala, and there's templates available, and it's going to get better and better as I add more to these templates to make them more complete. And eventually I plan to add a facial template as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy working with Vetala.